Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Amazon Associates for affiliate commission, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with Amazon Associates, open your web browser and navigate to the Amazon Associates homepage. Click on the Join Now for Free button. If you already have an Amazon account, sign in using your existing credentials. If you don't have an account, create a new one by filling out the required information. Once signed in, you will be prompted to select your preferred store ID. This ID should reflect your business or website name. Next, fill out the account information form. Provide your name, address, and phone number. Complete the website section by adding your website URL or social media links. Describe how you plan to drive traffic to your site. Choose the right categories that represent the type of products you will promote. Review and agree to Amazon Associates operating agreement and policies. Click on the Finish button to complete your application. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your application status. If approved, return to the Amazon Associates homepage and log in to your account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available. Use the product linking tools to create affiliate links for products you wish to promote. Copy the generated affiliate link and add it to your website or social media platform. Track your performance and earnings using the reporting features in your dashboard. Regularly update your content to keep it engaging and relevant. This will help you maximize your affiliate commissions over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.